welcome back to the channel. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can easily remove the video's background in Canva, because Canva recently added a new effect for the videos to remove the video's background inside the Canva. So if you are recording a video for the tutorials and any kind of presentation, so this effect is very helpful for you. So watch this tutorial till the end. So after end of the tutorial you are able to create the video's background easily inside the Canva. So let's see how this effect is useful for you. So here we are on our Canva app. So in that you can choose any video size format you like. If you are creating the Instagram reels and YouTube shorts also, so you can choose according to this mobile video format or any other format you like. But from now I am continue with this simple video format. So now clicking this here, and here you can see the artboard is clean now. So you can simply click on this upload button and click on this upload files option, and you can choose any video files you want. So you can easily upload your video files here, and I have previously uploaded lots of videos according to the format and all these things, so it's pretty working fine with every kind of video format. Okay, so now I am choosing the videos from the Canva videos library. Canva has a vast library for the videos, so you can choose the random videos from here. So I am choosing the video from the dancing. So here you can see the bunch of videos available. So now I am choosing any one video like this. So here you can see this video, and now I upload this. Simply drag this into the artboard, and now you have to adjust the size of the video according to that. And once the video is uploaded, now you can, in the right upper corner side, you can see this edit video option. So click on this edit video. Here you can see the effect panel of the Canva. So Canva recently uploaded this background remover effect for the videos also. So currently it is in beta format, so you can use it. So simply click on this background remover. So let's see, here the removed background format video is here, so you can adjust it. And let's check this by clicking this video play button, and here you can see the video after removing the background. And you can also add any custom background by go to the elements and search here for background, and you can choose any background like this one. So I am set it as background, and now you can just check this video. So it's pretty good after removing the background. So you can also remove some kind of complex background in the Canva videos background remover. So let's try with some complex backgrounds. So here you can see this video, and now click this video and adjust it. Follow the same procedure again, and once this uploaded, click on this edit video option, and then click on here background remover effect. So it will take some time to completely remove the background, so its loading is on.
2000 years later.
So here you can see the video background is completely removed, so you can adjust the video. And you can also check the preview by clicking this video play button. It's a time taking process to remove the video background completely, because lots of video contains a lot of footages, so that's why it's a time taking process. It will take generally 2 to 3 minutes for removing a background completely. You can also check it here, and you can now add your custom background, anything like an ingredient or anything you want, set it as background, and now adjust the video size, and here we go. Now you can also adjust the size, and let's check the preview what we editing. So Canva, the background remover is completely working is fine. So I think it's a good for every creator, like if you are creating Instagram reels and YouTube shorts, so it's a very helpful process for you to removing the background right in Canva and creating the videos for your social media and anything. So use this. Currently it is in beta format. Once it completely tested, so it will available for the all users of Canva.